Friends, today I'm going to show that how to connect Instagram with Facebook. Friends, to connect Instagram with Facebook, first you have to log in your Facebook and Instagram on Meta account, my friends, on your device. After logging your Facebook and Instagram, then my friends, you can do from the both account, my friends, Facebook and Instagram. First I want to show you from the Instagram, then I'll show you to go from the Facebook. Right? Just open Instagram, my friends. After opening Instagram, just tap on profile picture at the down right corner, then tap on triple straight line at the top right corner. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then my friends, tap on account center and see on same interface you can come from the Facebook, my friends. So now I'll show you how to come in this interface from the Facebook, because I'll work from the same interface after that, right? So go on Facebook, open Facebook, tap on menu, tap on settings and privacy, go on settings, then tap on Meta account center and see, my friend, the same interface, right? Now tap on profiles, tap on Instagram, tap on Instagram again, sync profile info, wait a few seconds and see there is your Facebook account and there is your Instagram account. After tapping on sync profile info, your Facebook and Instagram will be connected with each other. See, my friends, now it is connected, right? See on the top. So friends, like this, if one, you can connect Instagram with Facebook. Friends, to connect Instagram with Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful too, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.